We are given the question that two persons are there, Nuri and
Sonu.
we don't know their present age. Let present age of Nuri be
X.
and present age of Sonu be Y. Can you tell me what will be the age of Nuri before 5 years?
X minus 5.
And age of Sonu before 5 years?
X minus 5.
First condition states that before 5 years, Nuri's age was size the age of Sonu. Size the age of Sonu. So if we will write it in algebraic age of Nuri, let the present age of Nuri. Let the present age of Nuri be X years and the present age of Sonu. Present
Y years.
age of
Sonu.
Sonu be
Y years.
Y year. Okay. Before
5 years.
5 years
Ago.
or 5 years ago, before 5 years, Nuri's age. Nuri's age was X minus 5. And before 5 years, Sonu's age. That was Y minus 5 years. But the first condition of question states, condition of question states that before 5 years, Nuri's age was 3 times thrice the age of Sonu. Thrice the age of Sonu. So according to first condition, according to first condition, X minus 5, what is Nuri's age before 5 years? X minus 5 was 3 times the age of Sonu before 5 years. So when we solve this, we will get X minus 5 equal to 3 into Y. 3Y minus 5, that is 15. X, this will transpose here 3Y equal to minus 15 plus 5. Plus 5. You are already acquainted with these things. Transpose of these variables. X minus 3Y equal to minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. This is your first equation, first linear equation into variables. Now, can you tell me what will be the age of Nuri after 10 years?
X plus 10.
X plus 10. And what will be the age of Sonu after 10 years? Y plus 10. So we write here, after 10 years, Nuri's age. After 10 years, Nuri's age. That is equal to X plus 10 years. After 10 years, Sonu's age. That will be Y plus 10 years. Y plus 10 years. According to second condition of question. According to second condition of question. According to
Second condition of question.
second condition. According to second condition. Nuri's age after 10 years is 2 times, that is twice the age of Sonu after 10 years. That will be X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y plus 10. That is equal to X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 20. 2Y plus 20. So here we will write X minus 2Y. X minus 2Y. 2 minus हो गया.
Transfer left hand
Transpose
side.
to left hand side. X minus 2Y equal to 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. So X minus 2Y equal to 10. This is your second linear equation. So here you see X minus 3Y, X minus 2Y. So one variable is same, that is X, with same coefficient, that is 1. So here we can, you have to subtract it now. We will subtract first from second. We will subtract first from second. Subtract
Equation first and equation second.
equation first from equation second. अगर हम second से subtract करेंगे, first we have to take second equation. First we have to take second equation. That is x minus 2y equal to 10. अब subtract किसको करना है? X minus 3y equal to minus 10. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. अब subtraction जब हम करेंगे तो sinus क्या होगी? Change. Sinus change because we have to multiply with minus. So minus ये यहाँ पे plus है, it will become minus, and this will become plus, this will become plus. So these two will cancel. This is plus x and minus x. 3 minus 2y, that is y, equal to 10 plus 10, that is 20. ठीक? Substitute value of y. Substitute value of y in equation. First, what is first? X minus 3y. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. That is x minus 3. Y के बदले हम लिखेंगे 20 equal to minus 10. That is x minus 60 equal to minus 10. That is x equal to 60 minus 10. Minus 60 will transport to right hand side, and it will become plus. 60 minus 10, that is 50. X equal to 50 years. अब ये what was x? Present age of Nuri. So present age of Nuri is 50 years. So present age of Nuri. Therefore, present age of Nuri is equal to x equal to 50 years, and present age of Sonu, that is y equal to 20
Yes.
अब आप देखें यहाँ पे what is their present age? 50 years.
50 years.
Before 5 years it was 50 minus 5, that is 45. That is 45. This is present age of Sonu, it is 20 years. Before 5 years it was 15. This was 45, this is 15. 15 multiplied by 3 is 45, so it was thrice. It was thrice the age of Sonu. It was thrice the age of. After 10 years, what will be his age? Nuri's age? 50 years. 50 plus 10, that is 60.